Okay, so for the continuations, the calculations and determining chemical formulas. Compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Combustion analysis can be utilized to determine the empiric. So empiric is a chemical compound is the simplest whole number whole number ratio of the atomic presence in a compound and molecular formulas. So molecular formulas is a number of type of atoms containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. However, as the reactions is performed in an environment of excess oxygen, the amount of oxygen in the sample can be determined from the sample mass rather than the combustions data. So example, a compound is composed of 52.14% carbon and 13.13% hydrogen and 34.73% oxygen by mass. What is the empirical formula? So we say that 100 gram is the represent for the compound, and 52.14 gram the carbon, and 13.13 gram hydrogen, and 34.73 gram oxygen. So to convert that into grams into moles, so 52.14 gram carbon divided into 1 times 1 mole carbon divided into 12.01 gram. So this ana to gikuha ng 12.01 gram is the atomic number of the carbon. So cancel the gram of 52 and gram of 12. So the answer is 44.34 mole. And then the next is 13.13 gram hydrogen divided into 1 times 1 mole hydrogen divided into the 1.008 gram hydrogen. And then the cancel the gram and hydrogen, equal to 13.026 mole. The next is 34.73 gram hydrogen divided into 1 times 1 mole oxygen divided into 16 gram of oxygen. Then cancel the gram and oxygen and then simplify. Then the answer is 2.171 mole. Then to divide that is to get the smallest number of the whole number in the oxygen. So ang smallest man is 2.171 mole. So i-divide mo na siya tong gamiton para i-divide. So 4.34 mole divide 2.171 equal to 2. No. So empirical is the whole number. So 13.026 mole divided into 2.171 equal to 6. And then 2.171 mole divided into 2.171 is 1. So our empirical is 6 C2 and H6 and 01. So letter B. If the molar mass of the compound is 138.204 gram per mole, what is the molecular formula? Okay, so the empirical is the 6 C2 and H6 and 01, or the O, or the oxygen 1. So the 2 and then the 2 carbon plus the 6 hydrogen plus 1 into the oxygen. So 2 times the atomic mass of the carbon, which is the 1201, plus the 6, the atomic number of the hydrogen, which is the 1.008, and then plus the atomic number of the oxygen, which is the 16. So 16 times 1 is 16 man gihapon. So simplify. So the empirical of the 6,2, and then the 6 H6, and then the oxygen 1 is the 46.068. So we get the pangitaw na to ang the compound or the molecular formula. So to get that, given naman to ang kanang 138.204 mole per gram per mole. So divide the 138.204 to 46.068. So the answer is 3. So to have the molecular formula is i-simplify nato sa kaning carbon 2 into 6, the hydrogen and then the oxygen. So 3 times 2 is the 6. So we have the carbon into 6. And then the 3 times 2, 6, the hydrogen, we have the 18, the hydrogen and 18. So, and then the 3 times 2, 1, which is 3 man gihapon. So we get the molecular formula, which is the carbon 6, and then the hydrogen 18, and then the oxygen 3. So that's all. So that's all for my report. Thank you for listening, and God bless. And I hope you have the nakasabot ra